It's amazing what people will post publicly.
The new way lawyers can use your Facebook page against you in court.
Covering Fort Worth, Dallas, and all of North Texas. This is CBS 11 News at 10 in HD.
We've all heard of Facebook pages nowadays being used in legal cases, but would you ever think it would be used to evaluate you, let's say, as a potential juror? More and more lawyers are using social networking in the courtroom to pick their perfect jury or even to check out a witness. CBS 11's Arzo Dost reports.
Is this some fishing? Wow.
James Turner is new to Facebook, but not to jury duty.
I've been on Facebook probably about 4 months or so.
He's very picky about what's on his page,
Which is pretty much nothing on Facebook other than one picture.
and already he's hooked.
But did you ever think what you do at maybe a coffee shop on your laptop could be used against you in a courtroom, even if you're a juror?
More and more attorneys are using Facebook as a tool, and now they've turned their focus to jurors and witnesses.
It's amazing what people will post publicly on their Facebook pages that can come back to bite them.
Rick Robertson is a family law attorney in Plano. He says when he's trying to pick the best jury possible, Facebook is fair game.
So it might give a perspective about whether they were opposed to or had no problems with excessive drinking, or with affairs, or what kind of parenting issues they might have based upon pictures that they had posted on their page.
Facebook is a public record.
Linda Eads, professor of law at SMU, doesn't think that the threat of having profiles used in court will keep people from serving on juries, but
We have to be very careful to make sure that lawyers don't disguise their identity.
Turner, the former juror, agrees. He says his Facebook may not be that thrilling.
I don't know if it'll really tell them what what all of my true values and my interests are. So.
The bottom line, you have the right to remain on Facebook, but what you say there can be used against you in a court of law. Arzo Dost, CBS 11 News.
Well said. This whole social networking thing, I mean, 20 years from now, there's going to be so much learned that we think back and say, you know, I shouldn't have done that when.
If you don't want it on the front page of the New York Times, don't put it on the internet. That's a
right.
good
Well
rule.
said.
Yeah, it's a good lesson to follow.